Hello, my name is Ehsanullah Shirzada, and today I want to share with you my academic journey here at Vibe Education. So last summer, after I'm moving to Dubai, I enrolled in Level 5 OTHM Diploma in Information Technology here at Vibe Education. And for someone who is as selective when it comes to making academic choices, I can already say that it was one of the best decisions I've ever made. And to support this opinion, and to just name a few merits that I have personally experienced here at Vibe Education so far, would be the collaborative environment that the Vibe Education provides for the students, the supportive teachers and instructors who are very approachable and are very welcoming at all times, and last but not least is the advantageous location of the Vibe Education, which is in a global metropolis and hub of opportunities like Dubai. And I want to just take this opportunity and thank Vibe Education for providing such an excellent platform for learning and growth. And if you are just as meticulous and as selective about your academic career and professional career, my absolute recommendation to you would be Vibe Education.